tan sola. Si tú me das la chance, te llevo a rumbear, a rumbear. Cause mommy, yeah, this could be the last night I get to take you.
Hello, line dancers. Let's learn Rinkiki. Yeah, this is going to be a fun one. This one is a 32 count 4 walls. It's a high beginner, choreographed by Jose Miguel, Roy, and Gregory. Yes, it's a lot of fun. 24 count intro. It's a kind of a long intro, but when we hear the music, we'll get to that. Has one restart, easy peasy. We do it after 16 counts on the third wall. So I will show you when that part comes in. For now, let's get started as I like. We're going to be doing our breakdown of the steps. There we're going to put some count and then some music, and then we'll have some fun. So here we go. Let's get started. We're going to start with a walk forward, 2-step walk, right, left. We do a mambo rock forward and a mambo rock back. So let's start with that part first. So you start with 2-step walk, right and left. You're going to do your rock mambo with the right. So rock mambo recover back, step back, mambo back with the left, back step, comes to the front. And now we're going to do a quarter turn step. So step on the right, pivot, quarter turn step on the left. And that's section 1. So let's do it all together. 5, 6, 7, we walk. 2-step mambo rock right, mambo back left. Here we go, step and a turn. Let's be careful now with the count. 5, 6, 7, we walk. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yay. So after your mambos, gets a little slower. So be careful there. Awesome. Let's continue with section 2. We're going to have right now, we do have our body weight on your left leg. So we're going to do a crossover with the right. So we're going to step forward with the right across. We're going to open left and do a cross shuffle with that right. So right and right. So it goes twice in front of your left. Yay. We're going to rock forward with the left. As we recover, your right foot is going to turn you, kind of goes a little back here as you turn to the left shoulder. Your left foot goes back, kind of like a little hop back there, and 2 claps into your right shoulder. It'll be fun. Okay? 2 claps in there. Let's do this piece again. So here we go, body weight on the left. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, we cross, cross right, open, cross in, cross, rock, recover, turn, step back, clap, clap. Let's try with a count. 5, 6, 7, we cross. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yay. Now this is the part. After this clap on the third wall is when we do the restart of the dance all over again, which means we will start the dance from this piece. However, we are learning the whole dance first, so let's go into section 3. So now we're going to go into the next section of the dance, and we're going to go into now a rumba box. It's a modified box. We're going to do a step to the right together, shuffle forward with the right, whoopsie, and balance, step to the left together. As we go back, we actually want to step back with the left, and your right is going to point to the side. Let's see this section again. 5, 6, 7, and box. Slide forward, shuffle right, step to the left together, step back, and point. Yay. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are almost done. As we pointed with the right foot, body weight should be on the left, and we're going to finish with section 4. We're going to do 2 samba crosses. So your right foot is going to forward step, open, body weight onto the right. Another samba now with your left foot. So cross, open, step. That was your 2 samba steps. And we're going to finish it with a jazz box walk to your right shoulder, which is cross with the right, back with the left as you turn right, step on the right, and together with the left. We're done. Yes. All right. Let's do that last section 4, pointing to the side. 2 sambas, 5, 6, 7, and cross, cross, step back again, cross, step back, just box, slow, step, step, step. Now with the count. 5, 6, 7, samba goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as we're here, what happens? We start dance all over again. We start with our walk mambos. Let's do the whole dance, sequence by sequence. All right, 5, 6, 7, walk. So 2 steps, mambo forward, mambo back, quarter turn, step and step, cross hold, open, cross shuffle, walk, turn, push back, hold, dots, shuffle, side together, open back toe, samba, cross, and jazz box ride, bum, 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 bum. I know you got it, but you're gonna put the video again and try it again. So let's do it with a count. Here it goes. 5, 6, 7, we walk. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. So as we are here, we're going to start the dance again. When you're on wall 3, which is going to be at the end of, at the back of the dance or the studio or the wall or the room you are at, that's where the restart is after you do that little step back here. So let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, we walk. 2 step, mambo forward, mambo back. Here's the turn, step, turn, cross, and open, cross shuffle, and turn and clap. And here we go. Walk, mambo forward. That was your restart. So starts 6 o'clock. As you keep turning, the restart will start at 12 o'clock. Well, you know what's next. Practice. When you're ready, put the music on and have some fun dancing with me. See you on the next one.